Hello everyone, greetings for the day. I am Sundaraman Iyer, co-founder of All-in-One Hub, and today we are bringing you with the reviews on courses. These course reviews will help you understand who are these courses for and why are they even required. Today's course review is on personal branding. Why is it even required? What can you learn from it? And at the end, I will tell you what I have learned personally and how I am applying it. So let's get started. So what is personal branding anyway? Think yourself as a brand. What do you represent when someone calls you? To put it into one line, it is showcasing what your unique skills and talents are to the online world. So why is personal branding even required? You may have many skills and talents. However, if the world doesn't know that they exist, it's not going to reach its full potential. Learning personal branding will help you connect with the new opportunities which you always needed. Be in the right community, build your self-awareness, and you can also create your online reputation. The graph on the left shows the skill set, connection, and the other things which you get from personal branding. Skill set are the things which you need to get ahead in your domain. Connection, once you have the skill set, you connect with the right people, you get the opportunities which you always required. The awareness where your domain is heading, the current trends in your domain, and the recognition once you have successfully completed your job. What I have learned is, what does your brand stand for? Honesty, creativity, and authenticity. Do not sugarcoat things. If you are writing a report on a company or speaking about a company, be true to yourself. For creativity, we have all heard about going out of the box approach. It's the same for personal branding. You have to keep learning, keep innovating. Approach obstacles as challenges to learn and improve your brand. The impact which your brand makes on the world and other people is what you are authentic about. And keep revising your core values. Here's my takeaway on personal branding. Establish yourself at least on 2 social media platforms. Have a routine of improving and expanding your brand. And you are human, you are bound to make mistakes. Correct it by knowing where did you make a mistake. Do not give excuses for it. Apologize in front if you have a bigger team. And follow it by using a correcting action. Once you are present online, your reputation should remain intact. Show only the things which you have proof of and you are proud of. This course was provided by Coursera and the instructor is Kimberly R. Barker. I believe that you have learned something new today. For more courses, blogs, assessments, and jobs, visit us at allinonehub.com. You can always reach out to us at our LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram profiles. And you can also write to us at contactallinonehub@gmail.com. Thank you.